Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to want to type about:config into the search bar of your web browser. This will also be in the description below for you to copy and paste. Then you're going to want to click on accept for risk and continue. Now in the search preference name box, you're going to want to type the following: javascript.enabled. This will also be in the description below for you to copy and paste, and you're going to see the name of the preference, then the current value of the preference, and a toggle button. So currently we have JavaScript enabled, so it's true, but if we click on the toggle, it's now disabled. You will need to restart your web browser for the change to take effect, and if you ever need to re-enable JavaScript, you come back to this menu and click on the toggle button. And that's all you have to do to disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.